I actually didn't know the signs and symptoms. I was just experiencing back pain uh, for some years in my teenage days. I was clueless at all. What is this? Why this is happening to me and all. And my family was also clueless. I am Shumedha Banerjee. I am from Howrah, West Bengal, and I am currently studying BA LLB in University of Calcutta. My hobbies are singing, painting, and reading books. I was taking heavy books and all in my bags for schools and tuitions. I have to carry it everywhere. So my parents thought that it is for the books and all. They cut the books in parts for me to carry it, and but the back pain didn't stop. We went to the orthopedic doctor for my chronic back pain. He suspected mild scoliosis there, maybe there. So he suggested a scoliosis surgeon. We went to a hospital and we did the full body X-ray. Then we found out it was an S curve and my scoliosis is worse than it was primarily, the doctor said. According to my X-rays, I had the upper portion, the bend was like 64 degrees, and in the lower portion, the bend was like 58 degrees. I found that my scoliosis was adolescent idiopathic scoliosis. My cause was not known why I had the scoliosis. So, considering the severity of this, I went to multiple doctors. Every doctor I went, they suggested me surgery. Only surgery can fix this. It was a huge operation, so I was scared and nervous, obviously, a little bit of. I was crying and telling him, I can't do, but he was encouraging me constant note, and you can work, you will work, and he made me work. The day after the surgery went. After the surgery, I have experienced some sort of pain that was reduced gradually. Now I am fit. My physiotherapist told me you can join gym also, you can do swimming also, no issues, but you have to be careful in carrying weights. You have to increase it gradually. After my surgery went well, so I can sit for hours now. There is no problem. I can play tanpura, I can sing. People around me might have back pains for sitting long hours constantly, but I don't have such back pains now. I'm free to sit for hours. एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाएंगे, फूल ही फूल राहों में खिल जाएंगे, मैंने सोचा न था. If anyone is facing back pain or something like back pain issues, you have to go to the doctor, and as early as possible it is detected, the whole process is easier. Mine was very late. It was detected after so many days and so many years. I neglected it for years. I couldn't understand it. It was not evident that I had scoliosis. From outside you can't recognize it. So if someone is having back pain or something for years or having chronic pains, so they should go to see the doctor. Early detection can be helpful.